With AQWA. I'm a project engineer and I'm here at Prospect Elementary School in Union County. This was one of our turnkey general contracting jobs, and this is our AX MAX system servicing the school. We're here at the grease trap at Prospect Elementary. Their kitchen is off to my right. We have a Trapzilla grease interceptor, which the waste flows through before reaching our grease trap. Then our grease trap will filter out the remainder of the solids through our Aranco effluent filter before going to the rest of the collection system. This is the Trapzilla grease interceptor. This is the first part of the treatment system that the waste from the kitchen sees. This collects some of the solid grease and retains it for pump out. This is our effluent filter on the grease trap. This is an 8-inch Aranco effluent filter that helps filter out the remainder of the solids before it goes to the collection system. We're here at the head of the plant. This is our septic tank, which is a 10,000 gallon tank. It receives all the waste from the school at the front, and we have a Aranco effluent filter here at the back. We gravity into our flow equalization tank, which is here on my left. That will equalize the flow, take out any spikes, and feed our AX MAX system on a time dose basis with a duplex PVU pump system. This is our duplex pump vault unit in the flow equalization tank. We have a set of floats and 2 pumps that lead to our AX MAX unit and treat it on a time dose basis. This is our AX MAX treatment unit. In here holds the textile, which houses the microbes that do the legwork of the treatment system. We have pumps here on the end that act as recirculating pumps that spray over these textile layers with the nozzles that you can see here. We also have one anoxic return pump that leads to the beginning of the treatment plant back to the septic tank, and we gravity out from this treatment unit into our final dose tank. And this is how our AX MAX treatment system works. The unit has recirculation pumps, which are here. We triplex them for redundancy. It takes 2 to fully dose the AX MAX unit. So they run in a sequence of 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and then 2 and 3. Over here we have our anoxic return pump, which sends water that has passed over the textile back to the head of the plant at the septic tank and helps us with our nitrogen treatment. And lastly, we gravity out into our field dose tank. We've got 2 sets of floats in here to accommodate both pumping systems. This is the last tank of our treatment system, our field dose tank, which is a 10,000 gallon concrete tank, which receives the effluent from the AX MAX unit behind me and discharges to their drain field in the woods behind the treatment system. Here's our TCOM control panel. This controls everything in the system and sees all of the floats and the pumps, as well as communicates back to our office where we can see through the telemetry program what's running, what has run, and what the current system status is.